What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Gary the Snail from Spongebob Squarepants. Let's begin today's lesson on the top left side of our page with the eyes. We're going to start with the one on the right. We'll start from the very top. We're going to draw a circle going all the way around towards the bottom. And we'll bend that back up towards the top. Now we want to leave a small gap and draw the same size circle on the left. So let's line up the top, go all the way around towards the same height, and pull that back up towards the top. Let's draw a smaller circle in the center of each eye. So we'll start with the one on the left, going all the way around. Then again, drawing that same size circle on the right. Now I'm just going to trace that center circle on the inside for the pupil. And we'll fill those in black. Let's add a fold underneath the eyes, starting on the bottom left, and come down, and just bend that up on the inside, and we'll do the same thing on the right. And I want to stretch the eyes down towards the top of the head. Let's start on the left side. It's going to come down, and then bend that in, go to the right side, come down, and bend that in towards the same height. Now to move out, I'm going to taper this in, and then down towards the bottom. Place the head on top. We're going to go up above the eyes and then down. Now we want to give our character a large smile. Starting over on the left, curve this down and then up. And then we want to round out the corners of the mouth. Coming around and then back in. Then we'll close out the bottom of the mouth with a curve. Coming down and up. Let's separate the teeth with a curve. Going all the way across. And then from the center, draw a straight line coming down. I'm going to work our way out towards the side, just going to angle this down and out. Let's wrap the cheeks around the mouth. Starting on the left, go around, and then bend that in. Now underneath the right cheek, I'm going to draw the bottom edge of the shell. I'm going to come down, just going to draw a wave, going all the way across towards the back to right about there. Let's go underneath the left cheek, bend this down, and then out. I'm going to round up the corner of the body. I'm just going to add a wave, going all the way across towards the right, and then bend that down. I want to close off the end, rounding this out, go up and then in. Let's add a trim across the bottom of the body. Starting on the left, we're going to follow that same wave, going all the way across. And now we're going to place the shell on top of the body. Let's start down here on the left, curve this around, and then bend that in. Go to the back, going around, and then in. Now we're going to draw a large oval for the shell. Start on top on the left, going all the way around, go up toward the top, round this out, come down the back side, and we'll bend that in. Let's add a swirl inside the shell. We'll start from the bottom, going all the way around, going up towards the top, come down. I'm just going to swirl that up towards the inside. From this point, we're just going to taper this all the way around and then back down towards the bottom. Just tapering that curve, going all the way around, come down, and then out. Now I'm going to surround that swirl with 5 ovals. Let's start at the very top. We're going to stretch this out towards the side, and then back up. I'm going to add 2 more on either side. We're just going to bend this down. So let's start with the one on the left. Coming in, and we'll add 1 more. I want to do the same thing on the right. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Gary the Snail from SpongeBob SquarePants. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.